Introducing the stunning 2025 Kia Sportage K3 MY25/5 door in white. This diesel vehicle offers a powerful 1.6-litre engine with manual transmission and MPV body style. Packed with comfort and safety features like air conditioning, cruise control, and collision avoidance braking, this car ensures a smooth and secure ride. With luxurious interior trim, advanced security systems, and stylish chrome accents, it's a perfect combination of style and safety. Plus, with a full multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty, and servicing to manufacturer specification, you can rest assured this Kia is in top condition. Contact us at Dooley Motors Carlo for a test drive today.